when we are in alignment with our desires, with our desired outcome, that obstacles, if we face obstacles, that's the universe moving us in the right direction. Because we think we know how to do it, right? We're mere humans and we're magical humans all at the same time. And we think that I'm going to do it, it's going to be ABC. We think we have control over shit. And the only thing we have control over is what we say, what we do, and what we think. And even not the original, not even the what thoughts that come in, just which thoughts we ride. We have no control over the thoughts that come in. But we can control, no easy task, what thoughts we spend time in. And we think we can control, I'm going to make X amount of money, I'm going to have this kind of business, I'm going to have the relationship and the 2.5 kids and the house and the business and like in all the things. And many people create that. And if that's what's meant for you, that's great. And many people create that when it's not meant for them and they're miserable. And the moral of the story is going within, spending time in meditation, doing the release work so we can get the baggage out of the way so you can feel what's the right thing for me. What's the aligned thing for me?